I've been saving a whole bunch of videos to last through the winter, for I have enough to record until the third week in January, where I head down to Gulf Shores, Alabama. Unfortunately, I'm putting the boat away this weekend. So this was the last week of summer that I've been taping, and I got a lot of material here. So that's what I'm putting out.
Waves coming in again.
This is Lake St. Clair.
Rocks the
This
heck
is
out
Gull
of the boat
Island.
when everybody goes
This
by.
was right at the end of the summer here. It's very, very busy out there, and great 80-degree day. I loved it.
Come on, people, stop. Bounce my boat too much. Our boat. Last shot of Gull Island. Hopefully not for the year, but for today at least. Might be the year. I don't know. Sometimes it can get really cold after summer officially is over on the 20th. It can drop in temperature big time.
Yep, that was the last week of being out in the boat, because I looked at the long-term forecast and it was going to be too cold. So I was like,
I'll go forward here if I can.
I want boats.
See what I'm doing here. River. That's the middle channel right there. We're going to go out the middle channel to the lake, and we'll take it back over to the battery's not that dead. Take it out that way. Way a little bit. Coming right at you out here. You don't give a crap, that's coming right at you. Well, the storms are brewing. I can see a storm starting right there a little bit. Up in the sky. I like to take a chance out here. It can get windy before the storms come. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to turn around and go out the other way.
I'm showing some of the highlights of the summer. This was a powerboat race that they had in August. I know I'm jumping around here, but I'm going to jump to the good stuff that I taped over the summer and what to look forward to through the fall that I will be posting. Thank you for watching. This was out at Charity Island. It was a powerboat tie-off, like the third week in August. And the next day they were supposed to have a race, but then the winds were really bad that next day, and they had a helicopter that actually tipped over. They rented a helicopter to try and make it real cool looking, but to tape it, and it didn't work out for them. But this day was real good. It was a really good non-windy day, but the next day, like I said before, it was just so windy they couldn't do anything. Too bad they didn't race on this day. We could have been out there watching it. It would have been awesome. Next day, we didn't go out in the boat. We went all the way down there to go out in the boat, and it just was way too windy. But I don't know. These three ladies were pretty drunk. I remember that. They were doing okay. They were trying to get around. They were so trashed they couldn't figure out what they were doing. But thanks for watching. This is where we're gonna end it for this video. Everybody have a great day, and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.